Hey guys, it's Udanka here. This is a short video to show you my wireless microphone. This I'm sharing for other yoga teachers because we had a lot of discussions in some Facebook groups what type of microphone and just to see what the audio quality with that one is. That the Jellycomb from Amazon, it's quite cheap. It was just a temporary solution for me, but so far I'm really satisfied. So let's see how this works. You have this receiver and transmitter, and the receiver you have to plug it into your computer in the audio jack. They both have on and off button, of course. You need to choose on, and there it's gonna blink this blue light, and they're connected. They need to be within 1 meter to make the connection, and then you can also go further. It says up to 50 meter in the manual, which of course we don't need so much. Then you just have to adjust it on your ears, and usually the cable I'm putting under my t-shirt, and then I'm clipping to my leggings. And now I'm just going to keep it on top. So at the moment, I'm still with the audio from the web camera. Now I'm recording on Zoom so that I can switch to this microphone. And when I'm streaming live on YouTube, it's not possible to change it anymore, at least I don't know. So then you just have to select from the audio, if you're doing Zoom, for example, which microphone you want to use. And this is the, in my case, this is Realtek high definition audio, so this is just the microphone by default. And now it's the wireless microphone. Then you can see the audio. You can also adjust it how far away to be from your mouth. For example, when I'm teaching pranayama, then it's not so good when it's close to the mouth, you know, because then the students will see all this very funny. Otherwise, I try to keep it close, and you can also adjust how loud this can be. Okay. It actually doesn't say how much is the maximum and how much is the minimum. So I'm just gonna pressing it a few times, and this should be the maximum. Let's try to press it 2, 3, 4, 5 times. I lost the count. I don't know how does it sound now. Let's go somewhere in the middle. So I've really no idea how loud it is exactly, which is why I usually ask the students if they can see me and hear me good. And yeah, pretty much that's it. Very important. This microphone has an adapter for Mac and for iPhone 6. So you have here the, I don't know if you can see it. So one is for microphone, for audio, and then the other is for headset if you're using, or for a speaker. They are actually different. This audio jack for Mac is different than the normal one. So this is 4-pole and the other one is 3-pole. So it looks different, but it's not. So if you try this microphone or another one to your Mac computer, if you're using Mac, and then you wonder why this is not happening, then this is why, because it's different. So this comes with that small adapter. It's included in the price. The whole thing is for around 30 euros, like with this adapter. And it also has a USB cable to charge it. So you just have to connect it with USB to charge it. There is also this USB cable in the included. One more thing, for an iPhone, I purchased separately that little tiny adapter, and then you just have to plug it in where you usually charge it, and then plug here the audio jack. But I actually haven't tried yet how this works with a iPhone, so I have to try, and then I'm gonna see how the audio is. But I've tried with iPhone 6 with that adapter I connected, and the audio was good. Like, this is not the perfect microphone, of course, for this price, for 30 euros, of course. They're usually around, I don't know, 100 or even 200 euros if you want to get like good quality. I really got it as a temporary solution, but so far it's not bad. And yeah, I just wanted to share it so that you know how this really sounds. Of course, it's not perfect, but till you come up with a solution for a better one, till you equip yourself, you know, if you want to have really everything high quality. Most of the yoga teachers cannot do this at once, switching just like that from in-person classes to yoga. So if you want to step by step gradually improve, then I think this is a good solution. So if you decide you can give it a try, I will post the description. In the description, I'll post the link to Amazon where you can get that one, Jellycom. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.